Open the Google Chrome and then write AC Market. Click the AC Market. Download for Android and download for iPhone. Which your phone, you click there. My phone is Android, so download for Android, I click here. Cross here. AC Market app link 1 and AC Market app link 2. First of all, we check AC Market app link 1. Download. Open the link and install. Install anyway. Installing, just wait. Open. Please allow AC Market to access phone. Okay. Allow. Then again allow. Just wait. Our apps is open. So you can find here KineMaster. Look there in right side, KineMaster. Open the KineMaster in download arrow. Click the free. Just wait, coming. There have one coming ad, maybe 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, and then you check there in right side, downloading start, KineMaster. This KineMaster around 70 MB. This automatically settings. Allow from the source, this is turn on. Install. Just wait. Done. Now finished our KineMaster installed also, and if you need more apps from here, you can use without pay. So thank you watching my video. Subscribe and comments and like. Thank you so much.